Hey guys, Sam from Baller BBQ here. This week I'm making a Popeye chicken on my Charmate Lawson water smoker. So let's go and do it. So this Popeye chicken is just a free-range boned chicken stuffed with spinach, onion, garlic and camembert cheese, and then wrapped in streaky bacon. This week I've gone ahead and bought the Popeye chicken already made, so all I have to do is smoke it. If you're making the Popeye chicken from scratch, I'll put a link up here to my broccoli and cheese stuffed chicken. It's similar to that if you want to go and do it. So let's take it out to the smoker and start cooking. Alright, so we're down here with the Charmate Lawson water smoker, and I've finally managed to get hold of some charcoal. I've got the Kingsford hickory smoked charcoal. I would have preferred to have just normal charcoal and then just put lumps of wood in there. But with this lockdown, wasn't able to do that, so I'll take what I can get. So I'll go ahead and light this up and we'll come back when it's up to temperature. Alright, so the smoker is almost up to temperature, and now it's time to put on our chicken. So there it is, our Popeye chicken. So it's just a whole chicken, boneless, stuffed with spinach, onion, garlic and camembert cheese, wrapped in bacon. So that is going to be amazing. I'm just going to move that out of the way a bit. Clip it on there. So I'm going to smoke this for probably about 2 hours. I'm going to smoke it at 325 degrees or 160 degrees Celsius. And I'm going to put a meat thermometer in there as well. And then I'm just going to cook it until the internal temperature is 74 degrees Celsius or about 160 Fahrenheit. But I'm guessing that's probably going to be about 2 hours. So I'll plug that into the Weber iGrill 2 and we'll let it go. Oh, better put the lid on. Can't smoke anything without a lid. There we go. See you in a couple of hours. Okay, so here's our Popeye chicken. It got too dark outside and I couldn't video anything. So it's looking pretty good. It's, yeah, that little bit of rub or whatever it was on top has gone a bit barky. So we'll cut it in half and we'll have a look at what it's like inside. Lots of oil come out, so looks alright. Looks pretty good. Not quite that stuffing's not quite central in there, which is a bit of a bummer, but yeah, she's nice and hot. Good little smoke ring on there, and yeah, that'll be good. So I'll just finish cutting this up and then I'm going to sit down and eat. So yeah, that'll be real good. So now that's all cut up, I'll grab a fork and I'll just cut a little bit of this off and try it. Yeah, that's nice. That those Kingsford hickory briquettes have left quite a nice flavour in there. It's not too smoky, and yeah, the camembert and the spinach, that's a really nice mix. And whatever that rub was on top, that's made a nice flavour in there. It's really good. All right guys, well, I'm gonna sit down and eat, so we'll wrap it up there. All right guys, there you have it. A beautiful Popeye chicken done on my Charmate Lawson water smoker. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a like, subscribe, and share with your friends, and we'll see you again next time.